So my closeout is here. Is what? Is that?
Bye.
Oh, sorry. Closeout. Keep coming. Thanks so much, guys. Is how do we decrease the stress in our life around us? If we can't do that by leaving our kids, husband, wife, dropping dog off the pound, how do we change our inside? How do we eat better? How do we have better oils in our body, such as coconut oil, olive oil? Okay. How do we decrease the bad fats in our body, such as canola oil or anything fried food, especially at a restaurant? Okay. Again, minimize what you're doing. We have to live a normal life, right? Can we decrease some of that, increase some of the good stuff over time, change our body? Realize it takes about 30 days for our body to chemically and neurologically change inside the body to see the overall health benefit. By getting a blood test done, maybe once a year or even more often, allows your body to see that overall benefit. Are my numbers changing so my heart is better because my cholesterol is lower? My blood pressure is at a better normal limit. Okay? Even motion too. Again, motion allows your body to move more, cause more circulation, more blood flow. So your heart pumps enough. Being a heart needs to pump, cause the muscles to work properly. Even arteries, get those arteries to expand and elastic. At that point, things work properly. Even your veins too. And lastly, make sure you breathe enough. We breathe now, right? Can we do deep breathing through our nose? Catch this, Herman?
No, we're hitting this, yes.
Good. So through my nose, where I increase my lungs, and my chest cavity increases too. Hold it for 2 seconds and breathe all the way out through my mouth and push my air through my abdominal area where it all comes out. That when we circulate that oxygen, your body can function better, have better results of brain activity and organ activity. Okay? So decreasing the stress in your heart, decreasing everything in your body, make your body become less stressed, more relaxed. You can handle when you have an exciting event, it doesn't cause a heart attack. You shouldn't have problems. You get up and down, you have blood pressure issues. We have to change our lifestyle sometimes, what we're doing, and do little things like this to see the overall benefit. Any questions beyond that?